What's up YouTube? Today we got a new video. I'm unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the natural titanium colorway. Got the 256 gigabytes. And I'm pretty excited. I'm recording on coming from the iPhone 12 mini. So I'm really excited about that Type-C and the dynamic island. And also that action button. See how that works. And yeah, let's get right to the unboxing video. Put that to the side. Side. Let's see right here. There we go. I usually go for the black versions all the time, or the gray versions, but I decided to go to natural titanium. I like the way natural titanium looks. So yup, dude, these cameras are huge compared to the 12 mini. But this is gonna be nice. Really excited about that LiDAR camera too. I know the other models had it, but I didn't have it yet. We got that 5x zoom. It's gonna be nice. Only the Pro Max version has the 5x camera. The regular Pro version, just the standard Pro version, does not. Ooh, that action button. It's gonna be different. Let's take this off. There we go. Let's put that to the side. Look how nice it looks. Really nice phone. I mean, I didn't have the last Pro model, but I do know this is lighter. And yeah, it doesn't feel as heavy as it looks, or as I thought it would be. Since I did have like a older iPhone that was a big version. So, oh, there's the Type-C right there. I know I'm just spinning around, but I'm just taking you guys a look, trying to look for myself too. Let's put that to the side. As I said, USB Type-C. The box is real quick. As you can see, it's a braided cable, which is nice to see. Standard braided cable. Let's put that more to the side. There we go. Nice and braided. USB to Type-C. If you do want to transfer data faster or at a higher speed, you will need a different cable. This is just a standard cable, reading speed and charging. Nice cable. Nothing else besides the paperwork, of course. Nothing really matters. eSIM if you're in the United States only. Sticker if you still care about that. Put that back right away. Come on. And yeah, I mean, pretty excited for this. It's gonna be nice. See how many accessories can fit here. See, I have a dock over here, and also have we'll see if that works or something. Let's turn this on. For the first time, I don't know if I'm gonna set it up at all, or this might just be the end. But I'll probably just set it up, turn it on, set it up, and show you guys how it works. I mean, how it looks. That's pretty much it. You can see the light right there. Let me put the phone right there. Damn, it's a big ass screen, especially that island right there. I say that because I'm coming from the mini, so I also got an accessory, like Max accessory, so I could hold it right here, kind of like a pop socket type of thing, because this is gonna be a big phone to handle, and it is, man. Like this shit looks monstrous on my hands, in person at least. United States, appearance, large. I think I just do the default, or yeah, I just do default. A quick start, like for nearby devices, bring your iPhone or iPad. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna just do this, see how long it takes, and set it up, and yeah. Alright, so we just finished updating. Get that Face ID. Restart phone complete. Continue. See how it looks like. Silent mode, you can now toggle silent mode on and off, or check the status in its control center, right? Because now it's not there no more. Action button. Let's see what we can customize. Silent mode. I don't know what I'm gonna put. I'll probably honestly put it to a shortcut, but I gotta see which one. But for now, you can put which focus mode, which camera exact setting. Portrait, selfie, video, flashlight, memos, magnifier, shortcuts, accessibility, features, and the last one was nothing. The last one, yeah, you literally put nothing, which is, I'll just leave it there for now. Alright, so this is it. Oh, my stuff is downloading. Use but this is the iPhone, man. It looks very huge. I'll probably maybe show some pictures, see, depending on when I upload this video. But this is basically iPhone 15. Let's see how this action button works. Ring. It's on ring now. Yup. And then silent. Ring. You do get that haptic feedback. And I think if you click on it once, yeah, it'll tell you what is on. Silent, and then you hold it. It's doing pretty quickly, pretty nice. Yeah, man. Let's see. Yep, felt it. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I'll probably upload some accessories video soon. And peace.